Watch your dogs, guys. He may bolt right out in front of them, so just be careful. Here he is. Right here. Right here. Shoot him, Ron. Oh. Get him coming out the other side, Ronald. No, I think he hit it the first time. I'd get below, though, because he's going to come out of there. If they're going to catch him on. I believe they just caught him, boys. Somebody get down there. Come here. Bring it here. Yeah, they got it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Daisy, bring it here. Hold on. Let's see if she'll bring it.
I like to have the back light.
Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here, Daisy. Bring it here, girl.
Good shooting, Ronald. You got it.
But I can't believe it went through that enough yonder.
Oh, I know. It's
And I
crazy.
can't believe it went through this girl
Bring it.
to start with.
Bring it here. Good girl. Let me have it. Let me have it.
She brought it to you, didn't she?
Good girl.